got open highways, they got closed mines. That makes perfect sense. No, not really. क्या कह रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो? I've been thinking about vlogging again. I tried the vlogging experiment. It lasted about, I don't know, 7-10 days maybe, and then I stopped. I don't know why I stopped, although I know why I started. I started it because the videos is something I've always enjoyed making, and the storytelling is something that I always want to learn. I fashion myself as a storyteller, but of course I do not know nothing about it. I want to learn that. I want to learn how to tell good stories. I tried to practice that craft, so to speak, but what's happening over here? But it's a difficult craft, and that is why it's enjoyable, because it's, you know, there's a learning curve, and then there's progress. What I want to talk about is that I think that I've been taking myself a bit too seriously.
A few moments later.
Now I need to remind myself about this, and that is possibly the name of my production. Stop taking yourself so seriously. Yeah. So that's Styss Productions, and Styss in Urdu is 27. If you say 27 in Urdu, that's Styss, and this is how you write Styss in Urdu. That's 2 and that's 7. So that will be the logo for Styss Productions. After almost more than 2 months of researching cameras, I was told and reminded again by one of the most successful vloggers out there, Fun for Louis. I follow him on YouTube. That the most irrelevant question that people keep asking him and other vloggers is that which camera to buy. And I immediately recognize that as the truth. That's true. A lot of people from the outside, when they look in, they think that cycling is about the cycle. They think running is about the shoes. They think football is about the expensive shoes you're wearing, or they associate the tools with the trade. That's not how it is. And I've been doing that as well. Although intellectually I understand that, but I'm not living that. Juma time. These are my cat friends. ये वाली मेरी दोस्त नहीं है.
Life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant. Life is your restaurant.